Good morning. How are you, my loves? I'm so happy that you're here. You guys, it is Monday morning, August the 20th.
Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so good.
It is Monday, August 28th, you guys, and I am starting this new week off with a lot of things to do and a lot of shit on my fucking brain, but we are going to make the absolute most of it this week because I have a lot of things planned and a lot of things coming. So I'm excited for y'all to be here with me this morning. I'm super duper freaking tired because we went to Canopy Lake yesterday, and right now I gotta get things organized. I gotta make my bed, I gotta clean my makeup table, I gotta get things right, you know, start Monday off right. Oh, let's do it, y'all. Let's make this bed. I realize I never give you guys like any type of room tour, and I honestly probably won't. I'm not even gonna hold you. I really won't do a room tour until I'm in a space that's completely mine, honestly. Right now we're just gonna make up my bed, my itty bitty bed. Now that my bed is all made and done and I'm low-key out of breath for some reason, I literally do not know why, but that's been happening more and more lately and I don't understand. So I've been getting my stamina up in the gym. If you watch the Black Girl Art Show vlog, you recognize this desk right here. This is where I do all my creating and makeup, and it needs to be organized because Mama's been a little bit of a slob lately and hasn't been picking up after herself when creating videos, which typically happens, to be honest, but then in the mornings I usually clean it up. So this is my morning routine to clean this up right now. This right here by Mented is fantastic. If you guys have any ideas on how I should organize this, feel free to send them to me. Shoot me a follow on Pinterest because I'm obsessed with Pinterest. I love Pinterest. So now I just finished organizing the table and making my bed, which are the two things that I love to get done in the morning to make sure, you know, I feel a little bit accomplished. You know what I'm saying? Now I gotta take a shower real quick because it's 9:15 and go jet to therapy, and then I'll be back after my therapy session, you guys. So I'll check in after therapy and let you guys know what the rest of the plan is for today. Peace out. Okay guys, so now we are at the mall after I finished my therapy session. I am running to check out Sally's Beauty because I need to grab my hair dye. Just one. Oh, I still want to kind of look around too. You don't have to grab them from here yet. I'm still gonna peek around.
Yeah. Did you want me to put these back for you? I can hold them at the register.
I'll put them back for now because I want to look at the other brands too.
Yeah, of course.
Thank
Take
you.
a look around. Let me know if you have any questions.
First, looking like this is what I'm gonna grab. Okay, guys. So I just left Sally's. I got the bleach and I got some like hair protectant. You know what I mean? That girl was trying to have me buy everything in there. She grabbed 3 big products that was way above what the fuck I was trying to do. I was like, oh no, never mind. I'm gonna end up shopping for myself. Thank you. I'm gonna go to Walmart and see if they have this hair dye color that I really want. Hopefully they do. If not, we're gonna try to check out in Ulta and see if they have it, because I do think I have enough, but I just don't have enough to like re-up, or like say if I miss a spot or something happens where it spills a little bit, like I don't have enough for that. So I need to make sure I have enough for my whole head for sure, because it is a little container. It's a little guy. Almost freaking noon right now and I haven't eaten a damn thing, so I need to do that. Okay guys, so I know we said we're going to Walmart, but scratch that. We're actually gonna stop at this Ulta real quick to see if they have the hair color. I'm gonna check here first because they said they might have it in stock, and then if they don't have it, then I'm gonna go to Walmart and check there. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited to literally dye my hair. Like, I haven't changed my hair color since I went blonde for real, so I know my hair is ready for a change. What the fuck is on the floor? Hold on, y'all wanna see this shit? The fuck? The fuck is that on the floor? You guys, I was able to find it thankfully, and an employee was able to help me out like immediately, so I'm gonna take it, and then I gotta pee, so I'll be right back. You guys, I've never been to this Ulta before. This is my very first freaking time, and one of the old managers from my old Ulta works here, bro. First. Honestly, you guys, I just hope that, you know, if we do try to each other, we have a normal conversation. If not, I'd be like, let's grab these dyes to scale. Now that I got the dye that I want, I got the bleach that I want, I got everything that I need so far, I'm really freaking excited. And we're off on our next adventure. Yo, I did it. I was able to get out of there without having to conversate with anybody. I fucking did it. I cannot cannot believe I just saw my old manager. I literally am so shook. Like, I don't think she works at this one. She's not supposed to be anywhere near in this area. So I was like, let me not say hi. I don't want to be a fake ass bitch. And then her go run to them and start talking about me or some shit, because they always have my name in their mouth. They can't live without me, like, dead ass. So, and I'm so glad that we got the dyes. So day 2, y'all, is gonna be bleach day. Dye day is gonna be day 2. Bing. But I'm downstairs. I just got back home after grabbing the dye and the bleach and everything. We're having a bit of a hornet problem right now, which is pretty freaking crazy, honestly. My notebook right now. And in therapy, we talked about a lot of good things and a lot of things I just needed to get off my chest, honestly. What we're doing this week is I'm dyeing my hair and I'm getting my piercings, and I'm just getting back into feeling like an artist, like seeing creative women get piercings, because it is a different experience for us in general. Adorning or adding jewelry to their muse, which is themselves, you know. And I really want to enhance the idea that I'm my own muse. But that's my little pre-smoke chat with you guys before I just go ahead and start journaling. Good morning, you guys. It is day 2 and today is the day we are dyeing and bleaching my locks and changing my hair color. Finally, super excited. I'm also gonna do the brows too, because I think that's gonna be literally so nice. But bed's already made, laundry's over there, I changed, I'm chilling. To be honest, I usually go through my entire mornings with no bottoms on, but here we are, because y'all don't need a glimpse of my booty cheeks. This ain't OnlyFans. Being so fucking for real. Okay, I know y'all are like, why is she so happy? This is the next clip. We're so confused. It's okay. My camera literally died, you guys, so I had to put it on charger for like an hour or so. And I had my vibrations on. I did a little stretch, did a little meditation, just kind of chilled for a little bit, because you know, sometimes when you're like so up that you just need to learn to calm down. And I'm very much up. I'm very much up every single morning. I start running around doing shit. And we're about to make some cinnamon rolls for breakfast. While I'm making the cinnamon rolls, let me tell you guys a little bit about why I'm super excited about changing my hair color. Basically, you guys, I've been feeling like a little lull in my creativity and like inspiration when it comes to makeup looks, eyeshadow looks. Like, blonde is cute, blonde is fine, but I'm not rocking, oh my god, I'm not rocking things that like really inspire me right now when it comes to my outfits and my day-to-day inspiration that I need. Hey, cinnamon rolls. I'm so excited. So while the oven is preheating and these guys are baking, I'm going to be bleaching and dyeing my hair. So let's get on to the next step. I already changed it to the hair dye t-shirt. If you know, you know. For the people who have watched me dye my hair before, this is a t-shirt for dyeing hair. I'm literally so hungry, you guys. Like, I'm literally starving, and I'm trying not to play any freaking music in the background, because every time I play music in the background I get a copyright strike, and I'm literally not trying to deal with that. Violet and, well, regardless, I'm putting dye over this, so whatever blonde level it ends up being is fine, but as long as I don't end up bald in this moment, even though I would look good bald. Since you said goodbye, I cut you off. I don't need your love. Now that my head is all covered, I'm gonna do this last little mix so I can get to touch up a couple of places. So I just read the instructions on the pinky color, and it says shampoo hair and then dry your hair. So I'll be good after dyeing my hair. I'll be good after bleaching it. Then I'll be able to freaking get pink on the bed. Get pink on the bed. Get pink on a bench. Yeah, but I'm really excited. So far, y'all, I'm blonde as fuck. So this is my hair, y'all. As you can see, the top, I clearly fucked that shit up. Thankfully, I'm putting pink over this, or else this would be the worst blonde job I ever did. Woo! Now my camera falling. It is pretty blonde. So if you're looking for crazy blonde, damn near don't get your hair back blonde. But see, it didn't make all of them not brassy. That's the other thing. So I would just be cautious, be a little cautious, but I don't really care. I'm one of those people that's really like, if I go bald, I go bald. If I don't, lucky me, you know? But the next step is to actually add the pink hair dye to my hair. So I'm really excited, you guys. Like,
Call my homegirl, tell your best friend, 'cause that's who on the road.
girl, his parents are in a poly relationship and so are yours. Please get the fuck over it.
He obviously. What's the matter?
No!
Damn. I hate this bitch. I hate this bitch. Alright, yeah, because I need to see what happens after that slab. I
do need to see what happens after the slab.
What?
They made it go outside the house. Okay guys, day 2 of dyeing my hair is officially over, and we're gonna go to day 3 in just a moment. But I'm about to go outside and smoke real quick. I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're just gonna sit outside and chill real quick, and then we'll come back inside and finish Marmalade Boy with my friend, because my retwist is nice and set and done, and I'm gonna let this shit sit and dry for a while before I even think about taking the clips out. So okay, so I'm back inside after smoking, and I'm gonna eat dinner and then go to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is literally, it's 6:36 in the morning, and I'm about to go to the gym. This is a little fit for the gym. I'm about to head out and I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Bye. Good morning, guys. So now I'm making breakfast after going to the gym. I meditated, relaxed, did some yoga. Honestly, I needed to like decompress my body and just release, honestly. Right now I just made some hash browns. Look at the hash browns. And my grandma made some homemade pesto with some cheese in there. And then I'm about to heat the pan up and fry an egg. Let's go get some water. We built a water bubbler in our crib. Looks pretty good, huh? I eliminated my breakfast. So today, you guys, we're going to get piercings. I am so excited. We're gonna see how many I can get done today compared to the plan that I have for as many piercings as I'm gonna get. Like, oh y'all, I'm super excited. So today I definitely want to make sure I get my septum done, and if I can't get my back dermals done, get my back dermals done. All right guys, I'm dressed and ready. Let's go get some piercings. Okay guys, so we are here. We're at the tattoo shop. We're at the piercing place, and I'm like, whew, oh my gosh, I'm a little nervous, but I'm super excited at the same freaking time. So I can't wait to leave, and I'm gonna get my septum back. So I can't get my piercing showing to you guys. Like, I can't record back there, so I'm just gonna get my piercing done, and y'all will just see me afterwards and call it a day. I know y'all supposed to be part of the transformation, but it is what it is. No big deal. I'm getting my back dermals done. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I was doing a lot of research on aftercare before, but I'm super happy that they gave me instructions and some of the sea salt too. So look at your bad bitch with a fucking septum. Shout out to Pins and Needles. Thank you guys so much for doing my piercing. Like, this came out so well. And my back dermals, you guys, I can't wait to show y'all, because I got my fucking back dermals done. And so when I get home, I'll show you guys my back dermals, because even my grandma doesn't know that I went and got this done today. Like, this shit's supposed to be so fucking funny, but let's go home, you guys, because a bitch got a septum. What literally nobody talks about when it comes to getting back dermals is how the fuck does a bad bitch drive with back dermals on? How the fuck do I drive with these bitches on? Anyways, you guys, I'm hungry, so I want to go get some baked goods, because I want to get faded when I get back to the house, because when I get back, I'm probably just going to do some work for real. I'm going to put in my nails, put in some press-ons, really get cute for like a hot minute. So that's really what the vibe is next. Okay, so I'm at the little bakery. This is the spot right here. My piercings hurt like a bitch right now. Oh, sorry, girl. It honestly felt a little awkward in there, not gonna lie. I was like, the vibes in here are not immaculate. Like, the woman, the customer service, is fantastic. I think the rest of the people in there are like, all good. I'll get back to you guys when I'm at the house. So I'm back home, guys. I got my septum done. Back dermals are done too, and I'm super duper happy. Overall experience with the piercer, the place was so great, so nice. Everybody was super duper kind. I'm so glad that you guys were able to come with me on this journey, because this, like, it wasn't nerve-wracking per se, but I really was happy that I was able to vlog the experience, because it's one of those things where, you know, having a septum, having, you know, certain piercings, having certain hair colors, styles, things like that, to mark the day one or week one or first like beginning of it is pretty awesome. So that's why I'm happy that I get to document all of this and you guys get to see it with me and really have this journey with me, because I'm like, I'm so excited. And they go, look, good. Come on now. And I was so glad because he at first had them separated so far. And I was like, I do not want them like that. Oh my God, you guys, look at me. I have a fucking piercing again. I'm so happy. And then I think, yeah, the next one is definitely going to be over here. And then the next set is going to be right here too. But that's the end of day 3, you guys. Relations intercourse with you. Got a package in the mail. And I already know what's inside, but I just don't know what they look like exactly because I'm so excited. Got lavender. Oh, we got a 3-piece set. My booty about to look like that. Let's try these on, you guys. We're gonna do the pink one first. She's cute. So this is the pink one, guys. Yeah, this is so cute and it's dumb soft, you guys. Literally so freaking soft. Are you kidding me? And like, this is it without a bra. I'm not mad at it. With the bra, it's gonna be even cuter, especially with my sports bra. I'm gonna be wearing this at the gym. But like, yeah. Next one's gonna be this guy. What do you guys think of this one? This one is such a cute color. Looks super nice. Another really soft outfit. Okay, next is the next pair of shorts. This is a 3-piece set. Okay, so I put these shorts on and I wish I got my reaction, but I couldn't obviously show y'all putting on. But look at the thunder. Look at the thunder. And it cinched me. Like, I look good. It cinched me. Hello everybody, today's Thursday, August 31st, and I'm back with another day 4 today. And honestly, not much planned today except for some self-care, and which is really gonna link to me making content all day today. I haven't really showed you that part that much during this vlog. Thanks you guys so much for staying tuned for the vlog this week. It was so much fun getting transformed with you guys, getting my hair dyed, my piercings, and now I'm on this journey with my new nails and everything like that. Like, I'm super duper excited, you guys. I'm so glad to be able to have play and have fun this week, and I can't wait to do it again next week. Thank you so much for watching the vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share the vlog if you loved it, you guys, because I love making these vlogs. It's so much freaking fun. But thank you guys so much for joining me on my piercing journey, hair dye journey, and color journey. I love a full girl transformation. Honestly, that's my happy place. It's so much fun, you know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching and staying with me, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.